Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm at Marshalls. We are starting with this two-piece borrow yellow set. Look at this. This is a very good flowy skirt, long skirt. This will be a midi skirt. And look at the top here, bubble hem. Look at that. Is sleeveless. This will be perfect for summer. If you are all about this trend, come to Marshalls. Oh my god, I love this. Yeah, I love this. So cool. It's available in different sizes: large, small, medium, extra large. I have seen, and it's available in even whites. Okay. Yeah. And here, let's take a look at this top. Look at this for $19.99. Interesting. And you have this sweater for $19.99. Yeah, some people still, the weather keeps fluctuating. So look at this one for $16.99. And this button down shade, the quality is good, by Rose plus Olive. Let me pick the store price. Store price for this is $16.99. Okay, and we have this one. If you are all about this trend straps, I love this for $16.99. And something caught my attention. Let me just show you. This is in size extra large. Look at this. It's so cool for $14. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see what they have of their shoe section, keep watching. If you want me to go to a particular section, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to do that. Okay, let's keep going. Look at this long sleeve blouse. This is so cool. $24.99, 100% linen by Tahari. Okay, so cool. So cool. There you go. Okay, I have shown this. We've seen that. Let's see. Take a look at this red top. This is $14.99. And yeah. And this flower one, look at what we have here for $16.99. Alright, come with me to shoe section. Okay, and the shoe section, let's see what they have here. Let's start with this. Look, this is so cool. This trend, I really wanted it, but I've seen it like 2 times. This will be the 3rd time. I saw it once at TJ Maxx and I've seen it twice here. I've not been able to get it. It's cool, $29.99, and this is in size 8.5. And let's see this one. Okay, $29.99. And here we have this one for $29.99 as well. And this slim bag, how cool! Look. How cool is this for $29.99? Okay, here you go. This is $24.99 by Merengo. Okay, and here we have these flats. $14.99. And we have this platform heels. Look at these sandals. This must be very comfortable for $29.99. Okay. Here we have these by Steve Madden. Yeah, this will give you a little bit of height for $39.99. Steve Madden. It looks good. The quality is good as well. In color black, you can't go wrong. Alright, and here I'm looking at these. These are perfect for, vacation. Look at this by Aldo. Let me pick the price. The price for this is $29.99. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Please, please, please. By doing that, you motivate me to keep bringing you to the show. $29.99. Interesting. This is in size 9. Okay, share to friends and family. Let's see. This is 8.5 for $24.99. Interesting. Okay. And we are all about lavender. You will see lots of it. Yeah, if you are all about this color, this is a good way to, bring in lavender to your. Look at this. Yeah, I love this heel height. Interesting for $29.99 by West. Okay. Yeah, if you're interested to see the type of handbag they have, keep watching, don't go away. Look at these, well beaded. Interesting. And this one is $24.99. It's in size 9. Okay. This one is Merengo. We've seen this before. Yeah, we have. And here we have this. I call this the most comfortable shoes. Very good for $34.99. Yeah, nicely made. Come with me. Let's see the type of handbags they have for us today. So handbag section, I'm starting here. Let's see. This is by Juicy Culture. This was $89, and today you get it for $24.99. And this looks like denim. However, it's not. This one is $29.99. Up here is this colorful one. Alright, let me see if I can get the front. Look what we got here. And this one is $34.99. $34.99. All the bags here are actually Steve Madden. No, sorry, Juicy Culture up here. From down here, look at this interesting one. Strawberry, look at that. $34.99. Actually, here is, Juicy Culture. Look at this. Look at this. All the trends, color trends, look at that. You get all of it right here. Alright, still on bags. Here we have this. I love this size. This is by Michael Kors. Look at that. And this one is $129.99. This is by Karl Lagerfeld for $69.99. And we have this shoulder bag. I like all this shoulder bag because the strap is not long enough. $39.99. Okay. And we have this very big backpack for $59.99. This is like planning vacation on 2 people. Use this bag. All right. This can, take stuff for 2 days for 2 people. It's very big. And here we have this shoulder bag. Yeah, this is shoulder bag. Yeah, and you still have this bag. This is $29.99. All right. And here we have this one. Look what we have here. Well structured for $39.99. Who made this bag? This is Aldo. It's Aldo. And then here is this tote bag by MK. Look what we got here. And this one is $119.99. Interesting canvas bag. And here we have another structured big bag. Who made this? This is actually by Michael Kors as well. We are all about this color for $129.99. Interesting. And here we have this one for $99.99. $100. Interesting. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. By doing so, you encourage me to keep bringing you to the store, right? I love to show you all these interesting deals, so you save yourself some coins. All right, thank you so much for all your support. Share to friends and family. All right, and if you want me to take you to a particular section, leave me a comment in the comment section. I will try my best. Okay, thank you so much. Look at this. Let's go to, we have nowhere to go actually. I'm about to end this video. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time, bye for now.